Okay, morning guys. So it's the big unboxing. Let's get it open, see what we've got for our money. Right, okay, I'm doing this single-handedly, so as I've got the camera in, nearly broke the blade. Got the camera in one hand. How can sellotape be so difficult to cut? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, just get rid of the knife. Okay, we have a load of packaging. So it comes well packaged. All right, there's the box open and the packaging unwrapped. Right, so essentially we got the wing and we've got the brackets, the mounting brackets and the hardware. Let's have a look at them. Okay. All right, so we'll put the mounting brackets over there. We'll put the blade over there. Ooh, okay, a nice weight to the wing. Yeah, feels a good weight. Plastic feels nice and sturdy. Right, let's see if we can get it out of the bag. It's like kind of a sealed bag, so I'm going to put the camera down for a minute. The wing is actually one piece. It looked like in the advert that the end caps were bolted on, but it is all one piece, so I kind of like that. That's much better. There's our brackets. These are plastic, which I'm okay with that because I think they will probably weather better than the aluminium ones that are on the current wing, and of course they're lighter. They are held on with pop rivets, which I'm not happy with. I have concerns of using pop rivets, but we'll look into that when we do the fitting video. There's 2 sets of these brackets. I couldn't figure out why first, but it's so that you can have different widths on the mounting brackets. You can have them closer together or slightly wider apart, so that's a handy little touch. It all seems very good quality. It is plastic, everything is plastic, but it all seems good and solid. My main concerns are that the boot lid is a shallower angle on the Boxster than what the tailgate is on the Cayman, so the wing might sit at the wrong angle, which may mean making adjustment brackets to level it up. Or what I was thinking was maybe I could find someone to make the swan neck brackets and mount the wing from the top, rather like they do with the GT4 RS. So anyway, there you have it. All in all, I'm very pleased with it. I think it's going to look super cool. All those things we can discuss, we will discuss further when we actually fit the wing, and whether it's going to stay black or go silver or go carbon fibre or whatever. Right, okay. I've now just got to find the time to get round to fitting it, as we've still got the new LED headlights I've got to adjust. They're a little bit high. I've got the brake calipers that I want to repaint, and I've got to fix the windscreen trim. The mountings are broken on that, so I'd like to get all these jobs done before the winter sets in, even though it's a beautiful day today. So anyway, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button so you see all the videos I just mentioned. You don't miss out on the fun, because fitting it is just the start. As I say, once it's on there, I want to think about what colour scheme we're going to put on it, and as I said, maybe consider the concept of seeing if I can get the swan neck mountings like the GT4 RS. If you're sort of local to Chelmsford and you work at an engineering firm, or you own an engineering firm, and you think you might be able to make the brackets for me, let me know in the comments below. Okay, see you in the next video, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.